Hey guys, welcome back to another video brought to you by me, B. Alright, so in today's video, you are going to see me do a ton of laundry motivation. So many loads of laundry. I lost track. I was getting confused when I was editing the video which load was what. But anyway, you all will see me do that. I'm going to show me cleaning up this mess of a living room. What Xavier has got so accustomed to messing up, all of that mess you see is from him. He just likes to grab little toys, which I'm glad, because at first he wasn't even playing with these toys. So now he plays with the toys a little bit, but I still have to be present. I can't leave him. But you all will see me clean that up. I'm also going to be doing the bathroom and the kitchen twice. So right here, you all see me separating this mound of laundry that I had to gather from everywhere. Mostly from my room upstairs and from Zay's room, because my other two kids, they mostly would do their own laundry, even though they like for me to do it. If it's in the laundry room, I will do it for them. No problem. It doesn't really bother me to do that. I just don't like doing laundry. But yeah, so I sort that out first, then I come on up here and get Xavier situated, because it was time for him to take his nap, which is only going to be really quick. So I tried to clean up as quick as I possibly could in the living room, which it really wasn't that bad. I just was really down on this day, and I didn't have any spunk in me. I felt like doing nothing that day. So after I finally mustered up enough energy, I went ahead and cleaned real quick, and you all will see it didn't take long. So I'm lying, y'all, it took long, because from me just being tired to knowing exactly how much laundry I had, and I'm like thinking as I'm cleaning, like, okay, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. I had all this stuff in my mind what I was going to do, and then it came down to what I actually did. But it took me a minute to clean up in this living room. And right here, the darn vacuum got the rug sucked up the little stuff in the vacuum, and I just was disgusted with that. And then I said, well, let me go and put the load in and dry it off, because I didn't want it to be just sitting. So I got another load put in and started. That's load 1, drying and bringing it upstairs to fold. And here you can see it did get clean. I mean, it was fine. And of course he was up. I told y'all he wasn't gonna be asleep. So just like he's not asleep long now, he just woke up while I'm editing this. So it's just challenging sometimes trying to balance both of them. With Xavier, I don't know about anyone else, but I'm sorry, I don't get much time to do pretty much anything. So that's why these videos have been really short and coming out really slow. Yeah, but on a more positive note, I want to thank you all for viewing this video. And if you got this far into the video, thank you so much. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends or family or whoever you think would enjoy it. I try my best to be as motivating as possible, especially in showing like all these messes. Some of this stuff I was like, man, I really don't want to show that. But I'm not embarrassed about it. I'm just like, man, do anyone else have this same problem? Especially when it comes down to these bathrooms. Y'all must realize I have 3 boys. 2 of them are bigger to where they use the restroom, and then their dad. So you might as well say 3 people, men, male or whatever, using the bathroom, peeing everywhere. But yeah, so I try my best to be as motivating as possible, but hopefully this does give you all some motivation. And if so, just like my video and come back next time. Yes, y'all read that right. 5 total loads. That last load that I put in the washer, y'all won't see me fold. I was tired of washing clothes. As you can see, as it goes on and on, me folding all of these loads of clothes over and over and over again. I had so many loads of clothes to do. I said that I'm going to try my best not to let it pile up like that, but I can't help it because I can't stand going up and down them stairs all the time. Our house is a split level, and like I said, my room is upstairs, the kitchen is upstairs, the living room is upstairs. Then in the middle, you have a den that I have yet to show y'all, because we haven't really been going in there too much, but I will have to clean it soon. But then the bottom level is my kids' room, the washroom, and it's another room that my daughter uses for a nail room. So I really hate just going up and down the stairs. But so as you can see based on the lighting, this goes on and on into the evening, and I was just tired, y'all. There was a whole day of doing laundry, and you see Zadie is my laundry helper. He is folding the socks up, the same sock over and over and over again. Yeah, but y'all will see this is gonna go on into another day and another day, but not the laundry. This is the end of the laundry, so y'all enjoy. Okay, so this is the next morning. Since I wasn't able to finish cleaning up from the other stuff because I had planned to do the laundry in the kitchen at the same time, but it didn't work out that way. So this is the kitchen. So hopefully you all enjoy this, because I actually I didn't clean this kitchen fully, because after I got finished with that bathroom, and y'all will see what I'm talking about in a minute, I couldn't do no more. So yeah. So when I went into this bathroom and was about to clean, I remember from my previous video that I was going to make sure that I clean these nasty baseboards, because I have neglected my baseboards in my house, and in this house is old, so it's crown molding on the top and the bottom. So these baseboards are throughout my house, and I'm sorry, I just don't be getting all the way down there. But as you can see, especially in these bathrooms, y'all, these baseboards needed to be clean, and I am so embarrassed from that. But I got it clean, but still. Okay, just to give a refresher, because I always forget to introduce myself. My name is Beatrice. I am a mom of 4. I am right now a stay-at-home mom of 4, and I'm laughing because of the music that I chose from this, because I needed to laugh at something. Because as I was looking at this video, and I'm like, y'all, I got on my hands and knees and started cleaning this baseboard, and that stuff, I really didn't clean it like it could have been. It could have been cleaned some more, honestly. But I was tired because I was really scrubbing and cleaning, and it was making me so mad looking at all that darn pee and goop and stuff. And I was just like, really, is this what I'm coming to? Really? But anyway, I intend to bring you all motivating videos to help you get up and do what you got to do in your house, and to just make your home a home. That's what my whole goal is, because I've lived in my house for almost 13 years, and till now, when I got a chance to try and do these videos, I haven't felt like my home was my home. So if you enjoy these videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos all you want. I would love to have you with my YouTube family. So thank you all again for watching so far in this video, and enjoy the rest of it. Yeah, I apologize for my butt always somehow popping up in these videos. I don't be trying to do that. I just be trying to clean, and sorry. That's all I can say. Sorry. Yeah, I couldn't finish that kitchen on that day, y'all. That bathroom had wore me out. So this is days later. Like you saw, it was a little bit warm. One of these days, it was on a Saturday. So this was Sunday cleaning, because we had barbecue Saturday, because it was actually a little bit hot outside. I actually had on shorts and everything, so it was the first time being able to go outside, get out of this house, go outside and barbecue. So it was a big old mess afterwards, because we did have most of our family over who's already had COVID. All of us have already had COVID, so we can be around each other with no problems. So yeah, this kitchen was a mess, and it was really a disaster. And I was like, I'm gonna take my time and really clean it the way I want to clean it. So I get my kids to clean up all the time. They have chores, they do them, but no one cleans the way you want it clean. So I know everyone can attest to that. Y'all comment below, and because I know when my kids clean, it's like they just act like they don't see stuff, and just do what you tell them to do that one time and get on out the way. But y'all just let me know. Be quiet. I'm tired, y'all. So Chris gonna help me. He gonna mop this other side, and then I'm gonna dust this table off. I know y'all probably laughing at me because I was sweating like that, but I'm telling you, I was getting to it. But on this table, y'all see me put that Old English oil on there, because that spray that my son got me, it is awesome. Like degreaser, the company is awesome. So it's degreaser and spot remover. and it pulled up everything off of my darn table, and I was like, dang. So I had to really polish that table back so that it can be back smooth and not like, sticky like when you go to those restaurants, and everything. And I did the refrigerator, y'all see, with the stainless steel cleaner. Yep, and that is the basically come to the end of the video, y'all. So it was clean. Xavier had got down on the floor and started playing with stuff, but it was clean all the way to my standards. And I was so tired, but I got it done. I was happy. It smelled good. It smelled clean, and I was just really happy. But thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you all next time.